Welcome to a Sunday edition of Skinny Scarf Making. Skinny scarves have been quite a rage this winter, especially knit ones. So I'm making a tutorial for this little cute mohair scarf for us crocheters. To make the skinny scarf, I'm using a mohair from a local producer. With this is just actually a portion of the yarn, but it's 50 grams and it's got fantastic yardage, about 300 meters, and I'm using a 4mm hook. First we're going to make a slip knot and then chain 4. That counts as 1 double crochet plus a working stitch, so 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we're going to make 2 double crochets into the first stitch or the last stitch from hook. So we've got 3. So in the second row we're going to chain 3, turn work, and now we are going to double it. So we are going to make 2 double crochet into every stitch, so the chain counts as 1 double crochet. So this is the second, and next we are making 2 double crochets here and 2 double crochets into the last stitch. So we've got a total of six stitches. Next, and this is where we start our pattern. So next, chain 3, and we're going to skip 2 stitches and go into the third by making double crochet, and then we are going to make another double crochet in the stitch that we left. So yarn over, get back into the stitch that you left and make another double crochet. So we made actually an X double crochet. So we are going to repeat the same again. We're going to skip this stitch, double crochet into the next one, yarn over and double crochet into the one before. So now we've got 2 X's here. Next we are going to make 1 double crochet into the next stitch or the last stitch in this case. So in the next 4th row we are going to chain 3, turn work, and now we are going to do an increase. So we are going to make another double crochet into the first stitch, then make 1 double crochet across, 1 in all stitches across, until we get to the last one where we are going to increase again. So two, 4, 6, we should have 8. So this is the 7th and the 8th. Next we are going to repeat the double X's, the double crochet X's. So chain 3, turn work, go into the 3rd stitch, make 1 double crochet, yarn over and make that double crochet into the previous stitch, and we're going to repeat this pattern to the end of the row. So in every next row we are going to just repeat these 2 rows. Let me just get to the end of this one and I'll explain what we are going to do. So we've got 2 double X's here, we've got 3 here, so in the next one we are going to have 4, and we are going to stop when we have a total of 5. So in one row we just do double double crochets, but we do increase at the beginning and at the end. So in the next row we are doing the double crochets. In the next one I'm again going to just do the increase until I reach 5 double crochet X's. So when you get to 5 double X crochets into a row, you stop increasing. So the next row should be 12 double crochets. That means 1 into every stitch. The next row is again 5 double X crochets, and you're going to repeat these 2 rows until almost the end. I'm using all of my yarn, so at this point I'm not done yet, but I will be back with you to show you how to end the scarf. I think I'm done with my scarf, and now I'm going to show you how to decrease and actually end it. So we are going to stop with the row with double crochet X's, and next we are going to start and decrease. So chain 3, turn work, and we are going to decrease starting from the second stitch. So we are going to do the double crochet decrease. So this is one, and next the second one would be here just before the end, in the last 2 stitches before the end. So we continue making 1 double crochet into each stitch across until we get to the last 2 before the last stitch. So we've got 1 more to do, and next we're going to make these 2 double crochets into 1. So the double crochet decrease, and we are going to end with these 10 stitches in this row. Next we are going to chain 3, turn work, and do the double X crochet stitches, and we are going to end up with 4. So there are now 4 double X crochets here in this row, and we are going to decrease again in the next one, and we are going to repeat the decrease pattern and the double X row until we get to 2 double X crochets in a row. So I'm with 2 double crochet X's in this row, and up until the end I'm just going to decrease, double crochet 2 together. So chain 3, turn work, and now we're going to just do the decrease. So this is 1, this is the second decrease. We're going to make 1 double crochet into the last stitch. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 3, turn work, and we are continuing with the decrease from the second stitch into this one. Double crochet into the next, and now we are going to finish it, but chain 3 by chaining 3 and double crochet together the last 2 stitches. And with this we are done, and now we just need to work the tails, and our scarf is done. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if you have any questions, please drop them down in the comment section. Thank you.